Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can place your orders, how you can take trades in the market, and how you can get the best entry in the market. And in this video I'm going to be talking about break of the structure in the market. We're going to talk about choke, which is known as change of character. We're going to talk about OBs, which is order block, and I'm going to show you how you can actually analyze your order blocks and your market structure to get the best entry in the market. So before we get into this video, please make sure to like this video, and yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So first of all you need to do is just go to your trading view and log into your account. So we have talked about the trading view in our previous video. If you haven't watched that video, so I'll make sure to put the link in the above I button. And yeah, without further ado, let's see what we have on the chart. So first of all, let's talk about market structure. Now there are two types of market structure we have. The first one is the bullish one, the second one is the bearish one. So let's talk about how the bullish structure looks like. I'm actually gonna draw the bullish structure, then I'm gonna show you on the chart for example. So this is how the bullish structure looks like. Now as you can see, the market is keep going up, and followed by the retest of the previous high we have, and as you can see right here, and we're gonna see something like that. So this is how the bullish market structure looks like. The market is keep going up, followed by the retest of previous highs. So this is called the bullish market structure. Now the bearish market structure. So when market is bearish, you're gonna see something like this, which is actually opposite to bullish market structure. As you can see, the market is keep going down, and it actually keep dumping, followed by the retest of previous lows. As you can see here, we have the low, here we have the low. The market will likely to go this, and then we're gonna move down. So as you can see, in the bullish structure, we actually retested the previous highs. Here high number 1, here high number 2, and we're gonna see more of, unless the market actually breaks the structure. And in the bearish market structure, we have the low number 1 here. The market went down, actually going to certain level, then we pumped back and retested the previous low, then we went down, we went again up, and we saw here the retest of the second low. So that's about a simple market structure. The first one we have is the bullish market structure, and the second one we have is the bearish market structure. Now let's talk about change of character. Alright, let's see, the market is moving something like this, and after some time market actually moved down here. So this is called the change of character. Here the market was going to the bullish actually zone, or I would like to say the bullish structure. Now after that, once we break the previous low of our bullish market structure, we saw the breakdown here, and once the market moves here and retested it, so now it is converted into the bearish market structure. So it's actually a really simple trick to analyze the market structure. It will not help you in like taking entries in the market, but however it will actually help you to analyze the trend in the market, whether it's bearish or bullish, so you can take your trades accordingly. You can short the market when it's actually in the bearish structure. You can short the every retest of highs and lows as per market structure. As you can see, this is how the bullish market is actually respecting the previous lows, and this is how the bearish market structure retesting and respecting the previous lows in the market, as you can see here. Alright, so that's about the change of character and the market structure. Now let's talk about the break of structure, which is known as BOS. Now once the market has changed its character, every other dump, I would say, or every other, the break of structure will known as the break of structure in the market. Alright, so let me just take it as examples. As you can see, the market is moving towards upside. Once the market changes its character here, we saw the dump to the certain level, then we retested that area, the previous low. Now this is called a breakout structure, which is known as BOS. Alright, so this is the breakout structure. We went down again. This is the structure break, and we'll just keep moving down unless the market price shifts to the upside and break the previous high here and retest it, and then we're gonna move to upside. So this is how the simple market structure looks like, and this is how it works. I have told you earlier that it is not going to help you in taking trades. However, it will help you to check the trend in the market. So let's talk about what are OBs or order blocks. So there are two types of OBs we have, which is the positive OB and negative OB. So as I told you earlier about the market structure, so we're gonna take it the Ethereum chart as an example of the market structure. So this is the 1 hour chart. Remember that we're not gonna like place orders and make decision on the lower time frame. It is not recommended at all. But for example, I'm just showing it right now. So let's just take a pen here on the trading view, and I'm gonna just draw a simple market structure here. So as you can see on the Ethereum chart, on the 1 hour time frame, we have Ethereum chart here, and let me just show you how the market structure looks like in real life. I saw you the example here, right? But let's see on the Ethereum chart. So as you can see on the 1 hour chart, we have higher high and higher lows, as you can see, right? The market is moving towards the upside followed by the previous high. As I told you earlier, this, as you can see, the previous high, we're just keep retesting and going up. But what happened here, the market didn't retest that area, and instead of more pump, we saw the choke in the market, which is the change of character, and we retested that area and we saw the dump in the market. Now as you can see how the market trend actually works in the market and how it is actually beneficial for your trade. So as you can see, we moved up, we moved down, we saw change of character here, the market retested that area and we saw a dump. Now the market moved again, we actually broke out this one. We saw the change of character here, we pumped, and here as you can see, let me just remove the previous drawings here. Alright, so as you can see, we saw something like consolidation here and we pumped back. Now what happened here, the market have actually done the breakup structure, we have done the choke here, market just consolidated in this area and we saw again the pump in the market. Now after the pump, I told you that market is going to retest that previous high that we have. Alright, so as you can see, this is how, what a clean chart I would say. As you can see, the market pumped here, we went to the certain area. I'm not talking about how you can predict that certain area the market is going to reach. So market dumped here and we tested that OB. Now what is OB, right? After the market structure in the bullish scenario, first of all I'm talking about the bullish scenario here. The market pumped. So before the pump there was a red candle. Now no matter it's a red candle, it's like a big candle, or it's a candle with the huge wicks, we will consider the red candle. So here as you can see, we have the red candle before the pump. As you can see, after the red candle we saw the pump. So we are considering that so we are considering this short red candle as our positive OB, right? So we're gonna just mark that OB. As you can see, I've actually done that. We saw the pump here, we went to the certain area and the market perfectly retested that previous OB that we have drawn here, right? So for example, if you just have placed your order on the OB, so Ethereum is pumped around 0.7% from here. If you are using futures, so if you are on the 10x leverage, which is the minimum leverage, so you are up by 4%, or I would say 7%. Alright, so this is how the OB works. OB is actually works while you are placing your orders in the market. Now, what we have done here is, as you can see, the market shifted to the bullish scenario. We pumped to the certain level, we dumped. Now, what happened here actually, the market have what we have done here, the market has actually broken down its structure. So once the market has broken down its structure, we can draw the negative OB. Now, negative OB is actually opposite to the positive OB. We saw the pump here, and before the pump, we just marked the red candle. And what is positive OB? When the market started to dump, or I would say when the market did choke. So we will actually mark the green candle before the dump. So as you can see, the candle is really huge. So I'm gonna talk about how you can actually like analyze more accurately these long wick candle. Obviously we cannot place order in this huge area. We're gonna select the minimal area to place our orders. So as you can see, I marked the big green candle here as our negative OB. So what I'm gonna do here, if the market pumps from here, I'm gonna short this area in the market because we are likely to see something like this movement in the market, right? So what we have done here, by using OB, we made the profit from the long position here of around 2.5%, which is 25% on the 10x leverage, which is the minimum. I'm considering the minimum leverage, as I don't recommend that. Now, as we have drawn the positive OB for the long position, I'm gonna draw the the negative OB for the short position. So if you short from this area and we dump to this area, so it is about 1.6%, which is 16% of the 10x leverage. So it is around 40% profit on futures by using a simple 1 hour chart and by using just OB. Now this is called the price action analysis, right? We're not gonna see any pattern here. We're not gonna see any harmonic patterns here. We're just simply analyzing the price action, the candle in the market. So that's about it. That's how you can analyze the market by using a price action. So hope you guys like my today's video. If you do, so make sure to like this video. And yeah, what you guys think about price action analysis? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.